So this is our first look at the Pixel 10 Pro in physical form. Not a concept render, not a speculative leak, but a real prototype unit straight from Google's internal testing. It's our clearest indication yet of how the next-gen Pixel is shaping up, and early signs suggest this could be Google's most refined flagship to date. Sourced from Chinese platform CoolAPK and reshared by Mystic Leaks, the unit is marked as DVT 1.0, meaning it's in the design verification test phase. That places it just ahead of final production, where hardware design is largely locked and being put through hands-on validation. Right away, we see it's running Android 16, confirmed by a screenshot of the About Phone section. The UI seen here is pre-Material U expressive, making it clear this is early-stage firmware. It's also not a quarterly platform release, which reinforces how fresh this hardware really is. Visually, there are some interesting design shifts. At the bottom, the USB-C port is now flanked by two perfectly symmetrical cutouts, likely for the speaker and microphone. It's a small change, but it gives the phone a cleaner, more balanced look. The SIM card tray has also been moved. It now sits on the top left edge, replacing the antenna slot found on the Pixel 9 Pro. The tray is unusually wide, making it instantly noticeable. From the top view, we also get a feel for the phone's profile. The body could be slightly slimmer, but the camera bar looks visibly thicker. The overall design of the bar remains, but the cover glass now reaches closer to the edge, bordered by just a sliver of metal. The change may seem minor, but it sharpens the Pixel's rear aesthetic significantly. Digging into specs, a system app confirms the device codename, Blazer. It's packing 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which lines up with flagship expectations. The chip inside is the upcoming Tensor G5, featuring a CPU setup of two Cortex A520s, three Cortex A25s, another pair of A25s, and one Cortex X4. With this leak dropping well ahead of launch, it's clear that Google's next Pixel is deep in testing, and it's bringing both design tweaks and internal upgrades. If this prototype is any indication, the Pixel 10 Pro could be a big leap forward. What's your take on this early hardware? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you in the next one.